Welcome back. Today we're diving into some of the best home organization ideas that'll help transform any space, whether you're in a cozy apartment or a large family home. Let's get started. First up, the entryway. This is the first place you see when you come home, so make it functional. Add hooks for bags, keys, and jackets, and a small bench with storage baskets underneath for shoes. It keeps things organized and makes getting out the door so much easier. Moving to the living room, storage baskets are your new best friend. Use them to keep blankets, magazines, or kids' toys tidy. Place a few decorative boxes on shelves to hide clutter while adding style to the room. It's all about combining function and aesthetics here. In the bedroom, under the bed storage is a lifesaver, especially for seasonal clothes or extra bedding. Vacuum-sealed bags work great as they save space and keep items fresh. For closets, use shelf dividers to organize clothes by category, tops, bottoms, or even by color. Let's head to the kitchen. Maximize cabinet space by adding shelf risers to stack dishes or food containers. Clear containers are a game changer for pantry items like pasta, rice, and cereal. They keep everything organized and make finding ingredients a breeze. And for the bathroom, use wall-mounted shelves or organizers over the toilet to hold towels or toiletries. Drawer dividers are great for keeping small items like makeup and brushes from becoming a tangled mess. Everything stays neat and within reach. Last but not least, don't forget about digital organization. Tidy up your desktop, unsubscribe from old emails, and organize files into folders. A clutter-free digital space can make a big difference too. By using a few of these ideas, you can create a home that feels organized, cozy, and ready for anything. A tidy home makes for a calm mind. Why not start today? If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Let us know in the comments which room you'll tackle first. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.